morning guys, this is afternoon actually, it's 2 p.m. and now I am going to my college. Got my student ID right now, you can see. Yesterday there was a lot of queue, it was like 3 hours waiting, so I decided to take it today. And it took me around 5 to 10 minutes to get the ID today, so that was a good decision. What else? Now I am going for an event at 4 p.m. so let's see how it's gonna be. I have not buy the ticket, but I guess they can allow the last minute entries. Is now going to the event. This is the park near our college. Guys, done with one of our lecture. Now we are going to Tower Bridge. जो ये बोल रहे थे टावर ऑफ क्या, लंदन ब्रिज. लंदन ब्रिज जा रहे हैं, तो लंदन ब्रिज नहीं टावर ब्रिज होता है, तो प्लीज टेक नोट ऑफ दैट. सब भी जा रहे हैं, 1 hour ऑफ वॉकिंग है. लुक एट दिस. Cathedral. This is St. Paul Cathedral. Look at this, it's very beautiful. Walking from last half an hour, 15 minutes more to go. सब जगह बिल्डिंग्स ही बिल्डिंग्स, सब जगह ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर फोटो खींचे, ये फोटो खींचे, ये फोटो खींचे, इतना सब कुछ बेहतरीन है. So this is the Shards, which is the highest building in UK. वो है लंदन ब्रिज, और जिसे हम देख रहे हैं वो टावर ब्रिज, दैट इज टावर ब्रिज. और जो ये है लंदन ब्रिज. दिस इज द शार्ड्स, व्हिच इज द हाईएस्ट बिल्डिंग इन यूके. सो गाइस, दिस इज द इवनिंग. द एरिया इज लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इन द इवनिंग. एवरीथिंग इज lit up. So blessed to be here. Tower Bridge. There is some ship parked at this location. Getting closer to the Tower Bridge, there is a lot of liveliness at this location. So it's finally here. Here we are. Beautiful it is. Now we will go a little bit closer. This is the Tower Bridge of London. The climate is really cold, that's why it's nice weather, not too cold, not too hot. here. Now I am waiting for my friend who is coming to meet me. So stay tuned for the next video. We would be exploring different parts of the city as well. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video.